Hello guys, hope you're all doing great. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your own song with your own lyrics using AI. Are you ready? So let's get started. First, you should open your browser and go to this website, which is MusicCreator.ai. Okay, and then after that you should log in with your Gmail account and then click on create music now. Here we have two options. The first option is which is prompt, and the second option is own lyrics. So if you have your own lyrics, click here. Okay, and put your lyrics. As you can see here, I'm going to paste here, and I'm going to copy the title and put the title here. Okay, so in vocal generator you should choose the type of singer, male or female. So I'm going to use female, and the style should be, for example, romantic, and choose pop. And then after that you should click on generate music. And yeah, in this website you can create nice music with AI, music creator AI, with the best quality. And yeah, as you can see, the song has been generated successfully. As you can see, click on the song, play and see.
I was walking through the quiet of an ordinary day. Same old streets, same old thoughts drifting all away. Then your smile broke the silence like the morning sun. In a second, every lonely road was undone. I didn't know my heart was waiting, didn't know it knew
Yeah,
your face.
the quality
Every
is the
moment
best.
led me closer
Yeah,
to this beauty.
and that's how you can create music with AI with your own lyrics. And then after that you can download the song and use it everywhere without any copyright. That's it guys, hope you will like it. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. See you in the next video.